動作させたくないけど、とろみはなんかこうちょっとあった。昨日が食べられるようになった？このスープで。
The most authentic ingredients to make dashi are kombu and bonito flakes. Dashi is a Japanese soup stock, by the way. I appreciate it's the best to make your own dashi from scratch. However, to be completely honest with you, as a mom of 2 boys, it's just not realistic to make my own dashi in a busy life. Anyone who can relate? These dashi packets are something I opt for most of the time when I make miso soup. What's inside of it is probably the most popular question I receive in this channel. This particular one mainly includes bonito flakes, kombu, and salt. You might be able to find one in Asian supermarket, or I have my favorite in the description box. In my membership, some member told me it's a stereotype to have a tofu and wakame seaweed in miso soup, so I've never intended to add anything else into the miso soup. And this surprised me. Some people, like my mom, keep the ingredients very simple to enjoy the dashi umami flavor itself. I think it's delicious, but in my household, I see soup as an eating supplement, especially for the picky kids, so I usually load up on multiple kinds of ingredients. Carrots and onions are too staple for us since it imparts the natural sweetness to the soup. Then in addition to that, usually add some seasonal vegetable like kabocha and sweet potatoes in fall, Chinese cabbage in winter. I'm curious, what's your go-to ingredients for your miso soup? Let me know in the comment section.
Oishii.
朝だからみんな眠いね。
シャチよかっ
おーいいね。あ、左の手で押さえて、そうちゃんお椀を。そうそうそうそう。まあいいや。機嫌悪いし。You can find the recipe on my blog. The link is in the description box below. If you've tried to establish a home cooking routine but struggle to maintain it, or just get so tired of coming up with the meal plan every day, just like myself, our supportive community, which is called Ikigai Cooking Club, will help you to develop long-lasting and enjoyable habits. Here are some voices from other members.
My breakfast routine has changed since joining Ikigai Cooking Club. I used to blend a protein shake every morning. It was cold, icy, and unsatisfying. Now I carve out a moment whenever possible to make a peaceful breakfast of soup, natto, egg, veggie, and rice. I used to feel like the food I have to eat in order to stay healthy and not go over my preferred weight, but it was just too inconsistent. How the food makes me feel? I have only recently discovered this. Since joining the Ikigai Cooking Club, I notice my body just feels so peaceful. I just can't express enough how grateful I am.
Cooking at home constantly is good for us for a number of reasons. We all know that we should cook more at home, but it's easier said than done. If you need someone to keep each other accountable, and if you love Japanese cooking, member and I will welcome you with open arms. What exactly we do in the membership is on my website. The enrollment is open only 3 times a year, and this time it's open from today until October 3rd. So check out the link in the description box below.
I make this tomato miso soup when I overeat. We'll soon be going on a holiday season. It's a great thing to enjoy the feast together with family and friends, but the next morning, if you feel your stomach needs some rest, give this miso soup a try. With tomato and ginger, it makes our gut happy every time. Make sure to taste test at this point to decide how much miso paste you are going to add.
Salad と鮭がご飯。
トウモロコシはgood。
Good。お兄さんはどうですか？本当にすごい食べてくれてるってことは結構好き？ノーコメントだけどすごい食べるから好きとしよ
89。
う。おお、結構高い。
79。
上手。これもね、これがね。玉ねぎはママがやるから、他の柔らかいお野菜やってもらって。落とさないで。そう、上手上手上手。分かってる。
あ、それ。
オッケーオッケーオッケー。油ちょっとこっちこっち。
上手。
ゆっくりゆっくりゆっくりゆっくり。
ゆっくりやって。上手にできてるからゆっくりやって。泣いちゃったよ。やらせてあげるから大丈夫。上手。じゃあそろそろじゃあお兄ちゃんに交代してもいいですか？いい？そうじゃあ。落ちないように落ちないようにずらして。いい。入れて。大さじ1ぐらい。一回火通し。はい。しめじはさ、友たち嫌いだから隠しちゃおう。
なんでそれナイフ使うの？
ほらほらほら、コントロール不可になるんだね。ひたすら蒸す。すごいねこれ。お水足してないのにもう水分がしっかり。
I always see miso paste has a potential to go beyond just making miso soup. If the classic miso soup doesn't click with you, I hope you will give this miso stew a try. It's smooth and creamy. If it's getting colder where you live, this miso stew is like a warm hug from the inside.
ほうれん草。気持ちいいね。黒胡椒絶対大人は欲しい。自分で作って美味しい？昨日が食べられるようになった？このスープで？このスープほんと好きだよね。最近よく作ってる気がする。臭いがいい味出してるのかなこれ。なんだろう。
じゃがいもは？
じゃがいももいいよね。美味しいよね。
うまっ。
I introduce a lot of Japanese condiments in this channel, and if you're looking for a basic condiments to start with, we created a free PDF guide right here, so make sure to grab one. The link is in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye. またね